They say some things are best left to time, that nature eventually reclaims what we once worshipped. Here, half buried in the earth and choked by red mud, lies a ghost. This isn't just a car, it's a 1987 Ferrari F40. Opening the door feels like breaking into a tomb. The air inside is heavy with dust and the smell of brittle, peeling seals. We begin the slow work of unearthing it, removing the debris of decades, one handful at a time. It leaves its grave today, not as a runner, but as a project. A long, quiet road lies ahead of us. In the garage, the true scale of the neglect reveals itself. Thick cakes of mud hide the frame. Rust has found its way into the threads of every bolt. We spray, we soak, and we wait. One by one, the components come away. The iconic rear cover, the turbos, the exhaust that once screamed across the Italian countryside. It all comes off. We are stripping it down to its bones. In this state, the F40 looks vulnerable. It looks like it might never be a car again. We pull the wheels, revealing hubs caked in mud and brake dust. Calipers are unbolted. Suspension arms are pressed out. We move to the front, removing the bumper and the headlights, leaving only empty sockets where the car once stared back at us. In this state, the F40 looks vulnerable, more like a skeleton than a supercar. Inside, we strip away the last remnants of comfort. The door panels, the seats, and the moldy carpet are removed. revealing the bare, stained floorboards. We pull the steering wheel and the gauge cluster, the very point where a driver once connected with this machine. Finally, the rear wing is unbolted and the undertrays are pulled. Mud and sand cascade from the frame rails as the car is completely bared to the world. There is nothing left to hide. Now, we can see the work that needs to be done. The heart is out. It's a mess of baked oil and old gaskets. We aren't looking for shiny yet. We are looking for functional. We disassemble the turbos, revealing the black soot of years gone by. This is the meditation of the restoration. New seals, fresh timing belts, the steady, rhythmic process of making parts whole again. We aren't just cleaning, we are honoring the engineering. When the engine finally slides back into the bay, it's a milestone. It has a pulse again, even if it hasn't yet breathed. For the first time in years, we wash away the mud of the earth. Underneath, the paint is dull, tired from its long sleep. But then, the spray booth. The Rosso Corsa returns in layers, deep, glossy, mirror-like. The F40 is no longer a ghost. It's easy to forget that cars are just metal, rubber and glass, until you see this. From a muddy grave to the light of day, the icon has been resurrected.